This video is going to walk you through how to set up your Criterion account and access the essay prompt for the final exam essay in English 1302. So your professor will provide you with a link and with an access code. When you click on that link, it will take you to this page. If you scroll down, you'll notice there's a place to sign in or a place to create an account. So you want to create account. It will ask you for the access code. That's the code that your professor provided for you. Title means Mr., Mrs., Doctor. It'll ask for first name and last name. Email address, which it says is optional. A username and password. The username is a little bit tricky. I tried several things and eventually had to go with first name, last name, first name underscore last name. So you may have to try several different things there, but make a note of it, of both your username and your password, so that if you exit and need to come back in, you can access it. And then it will ask you for a security code, and then you'll hit submit. If nothing changes when you hit submit, scroll up, and up here in red, it will tell you what you need to address. In order to try again, you may have to change your username. Once you have done that and you hit submit and successfully created an account, it will take you back to the screen where you will log in. Once you've logged in, you will find a page like this. Here it will have your professor's last name. Yours may be different than the one I'm showing here, but click on the professor's last name, and then on this screen, click on the tab Assignments. It will bring you to your assignment. It has the title of a prompt and gives you the option to start plan or start draft. If you need to start the plan, it has your prompt at the top, and then it creates sort of a fill-in-the-blank template for planning your essay. Once you've got your essay planned, then you will click Start Draft. This provides a text box for you to enter your essay. In this text box, make sure, this is really important, make sure that you leave a blank line in between your paragraphs. So at the end of a paragraph, hit enter twice so it leaves a blank line between your paragraphs. Where we normally indent to show a new paragraph, a text box will not allow you to indent. So you need to leave a blank line between your paragraphs. Once you've completed your work, you can either save and come back to it later, or you can submit. Once you've submitted, you can't make any changes. So make sure that you're finished with it and it's complete. And then after you've submitted your essay, you can sign out.